Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Wrike for business projects step by step. If you're managing client work, internal operations, or team projects, this guide will help you set things up the right way. Alright, first, create a project specifically for your business work. Click the plus icon and choose Project. Give it a clear name, like a client name or business goal. Next, set the project start and end dates and assign a project owner. So there's always one person responsible for keeping things on track. Now break the project into tasks. Each task should represent a real piece of work, like research, design, review, or delivery. Smaller tasks are easier to manage. Assign each task to the right team member and add a due date. This step is critical for business projects because deadlines actually matter. Use folders inside the project to organize work by phase, department, or service type. So, planning, execution, and review stay neatly separated. Keep communication inside tasks using comments. Share updates, ask questions, and attach files right where the work happens. No more digging through emails. Use task status, board view, or timeline view to track progress so you can quickly see what's done, what's delayed, and what needs attention. And that's how to use Wrike for business projects step by step. With clear structure, ownership, and tracking, business projects stay organized and profitable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.